Jasmy is preparing for a massive move towards the upside, and in this video we are going to be covering exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again, because I believe that a lot of people right now are missing Jasmy and they are going to be regretting it in the immediate short term. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's get back to the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and as you can see, or say for those of you who are new, I just want to repeat that I believe that this price point right over here was the bear market low for Jasmy. Now this was a price of about 0.0027. Now from this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave triangle, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So we pumped up in a wave number 1, came down in a wave number 2. We are right now in this third Elliott wave towards the upside. Now guys, even though I have been covering this on my channel a lot of times, a lot of people are still missing the magnitude this move should be bringing in the price action of Jasmy in the immediate short term. So guys, if we check out this price movement right over here, as I've said previously on my videos as well, I don't believe that this move towards the upside is going to be in a complete straight line. Instead guys, I do believe that we should be seeing at least 5 waves towards the upside from the current price points. So if we take the wave to bottom as the starting of this third wave, you can possibly say that this move from right over here was just a wave number 1. We came down in a wave number 2, and right now we are in this third wave. Now guys, according to me, I believe that this move towards the upside is still not over, and we are going to be seeing higher price targets for Jasmy in the immediate short term. Now the most important resistance level for Jasmy to break is this blue line right over here, which was also the wave 1 high at a price of about 0.0083. Now guys, if we break above this resistance line, I do expect some crazy price movement for Jasmy, because if this move happens, there's gonna be literally no support and no resistance right over here, and then the price of Jasmy can practically show us whether it wants to go towards the upside or whether this was all just a big correction, which according to me is highly unlikely, and a move towards the upside is the most likely one according to me personally. So guys, let me show you guys what are my personal price targets for Jasmy. So guys, I personally believe that if we are able to break above this resistance line, which if we calculate from the current price points, it's only about 17.83%, which if you guys have been following for long, you already know that we can easily break above this resistance level in just a matter of few days. So guys, if we break above this, I do expect that we are going to be facing some resistance level right over here at about 0.015. Now for a lot of you all, you might be saying that, hey, this is not going to be possible, this is much higher move. But guys, I do believe that this move is going to be happening in the immediate short term. Now if you personally ask whether you should be longing the market or whether you should be shorting the market, I would personally tell you guys to not do anything right now, because right now the markets are really uncertain, and if you just take the wrong trade right now, all of the gains which you have been making for the past couple of months or for the past like 6 months or 5 months will be lost in an instant. Now personally, the trade setup which I would recommend you all is to wait for Jasmy to cross this resistance level at a price of about 0.0083, and once we reach above it, I do want you guys to long the market when we go near this resistance line once again. Just like this Elliott wave structure shows you guys, I personally believe that we are going to be pumping towards the upside, but after that we should be seeing a resistance or say a support at this same price level which was previously acting as a resistance. Now, if this happens, this should be your perfect time to enter into the markets for a long trade, and then you can just ride it up as much as you want to. Now guys, for the let's say for the next couple of months, my personal target for Jasmy is really simple. I'm gonna be taking, or say I'm gonna be riding up Jasmy to about this price point right over here, which is at about 0.022. Now, if you guys had bought in at the absolute bottom, you would have obviously about 10x your money, which is absolutely insane, because if we calculate that this move right over here from, let's say, 0.22, that is about a 7x on your money, 7 to 8x on your money, which is really good. However guys, if you just get into the Jasmy coin right now, the amount of gains you're going to be making is much lower, but this is still good than making no gains at all, because right now I believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum have cooled off, and now is the time for altcoins to shine, and that is where some major price movement towards the upside should be coming. Now guys, if I show you some of the indicators, they are showing us something really interesting as well. So if we first check out the RSI, you can see that we are at 59 on the RSI scale. You're gonna be seeing some crossovers right over here, so do expect some movements in the immediate short term. However guys, if we check out the MACD indicator right over here, you will be able to see that the buying pressure is getting a little bit on the weaker side. So guys, for the past couple of days, even though we have been seeing this pump towards the upside, the buying pressure is still not there. I mean, if we check out this buying pressure right over here, this gave us this massive pump, or say a short pump, but then we saw a bit of a selling pressure and we basically got to the same point, and right now we got a little bit more of buying pressure. Guys, my personal thinking is that the buying pressure will suddenly appear, and this time when it comes, we should be breaking this resistance level, which I have been repeating on my channel constantly. I personally think that this is the most likely scenario Jasmy project is going to be going towards, because if you take a look at all of these previous charts as well, or say the previous time frames as well, you can see that this blue line provided a massive support for Jasmy. Right over here, you can see it provided support right over here, right over here, right over here, right over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now we are trying to break it for the 6th time. Now, if we break above this, which we should be doing because the market sentiment is towards the upside, I do expect some crazy price movements for Jasmy. We could even be getting as high as up to this price level right over here at about 0.049. We are still early in this market, and a lot of people can be making some serious amounts of money if you just get in at the right moments, because if we check out this price movement right over here as well, so basically we were in a downward trend, but suddenly we shifted the momentum towards the upside, and as you can see, the price gain which we got on this was absolutely crazy. We got a 300% pump in just a matter of few days, which is pretty standard and pretty good for these altcoins, because this is why we invest into them in the first place. We want to make some quick gains and some huge gains with these coins, and that is the reason we don't invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which can provide you some decent gains in the longer term, but they're not going to be basically 40x, 50x, or even 100x your money in the longer time frames. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights. If you did, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Jasmy update. Peace out.